Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we're going to do something different. It isn't stitching, we're doing diamond painting. And I am starting this beautiful, gorgeous diamond painting that I got this morning for FeelookArt. And we're going to be starting down right around in this general area, and the color of diamonds I have is 918. It's kind of a brick red, and I will also pull you in just a bit so you can see what I am doing. I may have to pause this if I have to get another color, and I'm using that new type of pen, so we'll see how well it works. And if it doesn't, we'll be to something else. May not take too long. I've just never used one like this, so used to a regular diamond painting pen, but I thought we'd give this a shot and see how it worked. So how's everybody doing? We are to Thursday. Holy cow. You know, it's been a week since Thanksgiving, and it feels like it was just yesterday. Whoops, I am telling you. Okay. Get a life there. There's a learning curve, I think. It's a nice concept. So yeah, I just cannot believe it's been a whole week since we did Thanksgiving. Okay. I'm becoming unimpressed here. I don't know if I have too much wax there or what. Or there's just not enough stickum right there. Or I got wax on the bottom of the thing. We'll just give it a moment here and see. I think it was upside down. Oh my goodness, really? We'll go with this. At least I know this works. I am just not thrilled. Okay. I might have gotten wax on the bottom of that. Oh, for crying out loud. You'd think I'd never done this before. I was trying to get them to go straight. So what's everybody else up to? I hope you're up to something fun, doing something exciting. Get away from that corner. Let's see, what did I stitch on? I stitched on the, what are they called? That winter one with the mountains. Put another couple threads into it. I was fried. It snowed. You know that real fine, ooh, get your finger off there. That fine snow that just snows all dang day long. Yeah, that's what we had. And, I had to clean the car off 4 times, maybe 5. So, yeah. I was just completely fried. I came home, made my fish and French fries for dinner. Had a couple cups of tea just to warm up because it was like 12 or less degrees when I left work. So it was not a happy day. And it was slow, and yeah, I was ready to go home. Ready. Whoop, I put that one on backwards, or upside down. And before I forget, while I'm trying to concentrate here, I did get some pictures from a viewer. These come from Joan, and they're pictures of her Christmas ornaments and decorations, and the one shelf with, we'll call them geese or swans on it, is one that her husband had made. So I will put those right in here. Thank you, Joan, for sharing those beautiful pictures. Gorgeous decorations. They're just absolutely lovely. I'm supposed to go to my daughter's house today. Oh, dear. All right. And I'm not sure, other than, you know, playing games and that kind of thing on the gaming system, don't think we'll be going very far. It's going to be warmer today than it was yesterday. So, we'll see. We will see. Hang on just a second. I had to look for a pad of wax in case I ran out. But this has got some really beautiful, beautiful colors in it. If anybody else has any pictures they'd like to share, what projects they're working on, or projects they finished, doesn't have to just be cross-stitch. It can be whatever craft you're into. Just send it to my email address, and I will get it into the next stitch with me or drill with me, as we are doing right now. But yeah, so everybody can see everything. I haven't even thought about putting up that Christmas tree yet. Oops. It's upside down. So we'll see how far we get. I don't think it's going to be this weekend, though. And I probably have to bring up the idea of our Christmas tea that my daughter and granddaughter and I do. So, let's see if she's not acceptable, or when, you know, we can work that out before Christmas. So, we'll just have to wait and see. Hang on just a second. All right, I'm back. I had to get another color, and this color is 947. So anybody going anywhere this weekend? Gonna go do anything fun or exciting? Or is it bad weather where you live? And do let me know what you're working on. I always like to hear, because it gives me ideas, and then, you know, it starts the rabbit hole. Oop, I did that one upside down. Beautiful drills, though. But I thought we'd just work right here in this gorgeous little corner. It's got lots of reds and oranges, and we're plagued again, once again, with that bright, bright orange, but at least it's got some other colors around it, so I know it won't be too standoutish. Just beautiful. It's nice and shiny. That drill pen, no, I'm sorry, I'm just not a fan. I don't know if the wax is too soft or what, but yeah, or if I got too much in there. I'm just not real clear on what's going on. Hope y'all can see what I'm doing here. And I'll have a picture of the diamond painting up in the corner there. So that will help. Doesn't seem to be too confettied, so that's a good thing. You know, we have rivers of color here again, just like in cross stitch. So I might have to go back just because I'm not used to these symbols yet. But yeah, thought I'd work on this until Christmas and see if I can get, you know, a section going well. We'll just have to see. See if I can shake some more glue. I'm trying desperately not to set this, what do you call it, pan here down too hard on the canvas. I did that one time. I just laid it down automatically. Oh, that thing was stuck to the canvas. I had to remove all the drills, because if I had pulled it off of there, them drills would have gone flying. So, fun times, fun times. You live and you learn, and yeah. And my daughter even mentioned diamond paint. Maybe I can take this to the Christmas tea, and my granddaughter can help, because it's big enough to fit, you know, on a table where people could work in different areas. She's got one of those, remember those fold-up tables? They, like, the whole thing folded in half, and then the legs went underneath it, and they were kind of a horseshoe shape. So when you pulled it all out, it made like a bank. You know, you could fit 6 people at that table. But we use it, you know, when she has a lot of people there for like Christmas or Thanksgiving. But we also use it for the diamond painting stuff. So, yeah, kind of fun. And it works really well. We can spread out. Not everybody's up underneath everybody's arms. It's lovely. So. I think I'm good. Alright, guys. Well, I wanted to see how this would go and what the drills would be like. Sorry if they're not all aligned there. I have to kind of be over the top of it to see, you know. And that way I can line them up. It's better when I get them all in there, and then I just take a, I don't know, I don't have one, you know, that liner, that thing that lines up the drills, and just go line by line, you know, and just make one whole section and then follow all the way across the whole thing. So, yeah. Alright, guys. Well, thank you for joining me for this quick little drill with me. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.